Hey everybody, made some additions to the fleet today. Went out to Tammie's Hobbies out in Beaverton. Haven't been out there in a year or so. Picked up a lot of Atlas products. First up, this cool GP39 from Atlas. I think it's one of the Trainman Silver series. It's Portland Western, number 2302, the Adair Village, which is really neat. You see it running around out on the old Oregon Electric here. And I made the 2306, also a GP39. Guess where it came from. And we've got the 2307, the Independence. So add to the Portland Western fleet. Next up is also an Atlas. I think it's the Trainman series. It's a Burlington Northern GP15. Yep. Atlas Trainman. Looks pretty sharp. And it is pulling a 3-pack of micro trains, which has recently been purchased by Atlas. These chemical cars from Archer Daniels Midland, the 3-car pack. The last locomotive I picked up today was also an Atlas. It's a GE. The heck is it? Yeah, it's a B30-7. This is also the Masterline Locomotive Silver Series. It looks pretty sharp. Most of my SP fleet is EMD, so it's pulling an Atlas BN covered hopper and a couple of new chemical cars. These are all Atlas Masterline freight cars. A little more than I usually spend, but dang, they look nice. So growing up in St. Louis, my dad drank Falstaff beer. And out there at Tammie's, I'm looking around at some of the old trailer and flat cars. And look at that. It's on the Santa Fe. So there you go, Pop. Okay. A couple cars full of Falstaff. So about 1996-ish or so, this would have been kind of a normal loadout with the Willamette Pacific and Portland Western. So let's just see how they look. The old Blazer in the front there. Chased the daylight in it many times. Tell you, my opinion of Atlas has gone up quite a bit. The BNSF office car special has been rambling down the old Oregon Electric the last couple of days. I was hoping to catch it out by Tammie's, but I looked at trainorders.com and nobody said it was moving today. So Yeah, where'd they dig up that false death beer car?